Hey guys, it's Fossilization or Cookie Cat here with another video. And today I'm going to be trading away my beta tiara to Littlekellie. I really do hope I'm saying that username right. I just don't want to butcher it. I'm terribly sorry. I'm bad at pronouncing names. And the reason why I am on my spare right now is because my main has bubble chat. And I am actually trading away this tiara to get some stuff for giveaways and everything. So I will be making a video very soon on the next giveaway and everything, so yep, I'm just gonna wait for a trade now. And I do believe this is fair, and if it's not, I'm not really sure. I'm really terribly sorry for the low audio, but everyone in my house is sleeping, so I really don't want to wake them up right now, and I just feel bad for not getting a video out yesterday because I had some stuff to do and I got really busy yesterday, so I apologize. So we're just gonna wait for her to trade. And I do have another live stream scheduled really soon. Alright, here's the trade. So that's 1, 3, 4, 5, so that's 6 black longs and add. I will be accepting this trade. This is the trade. It's 1, 2, 3, 4, 3, 4, 5, 6 and add. So thank you. Thanks. Oh my god. Bye. Say bye. Thank you all for joining this video. I'll see you in the next one. Bye.